and I have a pulled muscle in my shoulder. I'm going to attempt to fix this up, and it's going to be the room now, from now on, that I do my crafts and stuff in. And it's green. So I'm going to have to change the color to white. That little honeybee is just trying its patience with me. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Yeah, this is gonna take a lot longer than what I thought when I walked out here. I just thought, oh, no, little bee, go away. I just thought that it would be like I don't know, I didn't think I had this much stuff out here. Get ready to start painting this wall first. It used to have a little window in it, but now it only has the one, which doesn't have a curtain, because this is, I was gonna start fixing it like my craft room, and I changed my mind, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna paint this wall white first. I don't know why I chose this one, just feel like it. And then I don't know, but I might paint my steps too. I don't know. We'll see. So I've got the paint out. It's Valspar. I've had it 100 years, but it mixed up good and it looks okay. I'll show it to you real quick. See, it looks fine, and it is the primer mixed in with it. It's just white. Have an old brush. Well, it's new, but I've had it a long time too. And I'm just recycling. But yeah, it'll still turn out looking pretty decent, I believe. So I'm gonna go over there and start making my first swipes, boy. first started painting, I was just worried about the paint like covering the green, which it does. The white is covering it. You can see that. But look at, it's like my wall is like a mummy. Like it's been wrapped up so many times. I don't know what this material is. It's like a mummy wrap. Look at that. The green, my roller's not fluffy, so it's not getting in those spots, and it's making like green specks. So, yeah, I'm gonna probably end up having to go back over it with my brush to like speck in there if I want. I don't know if I'm gonna be that picky about it, but I mean, what kind of wall is that? Anyways, if you know what kind of wall that is, put it in the comments. I'd like to know what that's called. I thought it was like pressed wood or something. I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. Got one side painted. And it's took forever. And it looks splotchy in places. Probably not going to go over it again. Because, I don't want to. And, see? Which I'm thinking that maybe it's just not dry there and it is other, because I did kind of go over it again in a few places, but we'll see. We'll see. Now I'm starting on this wall. I'm going to get like in the corner first so that my roller can get through there. And then I'll do like up around the trim. Ooh. And oh, I made an S, a fancy S, and I wasn't even trying. That's how artistic I am. I'm joking. But I'm going to do that. And then I just have like the other side. And then that one wall where my doors are at, and I should be done with the paint for today. We'll see. Wish me luck. This wall behind me, I need to paint it, and then I have that done so far. Just a little update. It's taking me hours, but I'm moving along. Let's do this. Okay, so I have painted all that I'm going to paint today because yeah, I can't handle it. These old brittle bones ain't gonna make it. Anyways, so I painted all of it white except I left one square, and that's I'm gonna use this green square for some like pictures and stuff. So I left one square, but the rest of it, I painted it. And then I've got like a ton of junk in here. I'm going to go through all of this. I'm not doing that today. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I might record me doing that part. I don't know. I mean, who doesn't like to dig around in some junk? So I'll do that tomorrow. And then if I record it, of course, I'll post it or something. I think I might record it. I don't know. But hold on. Let me show you the other side of it. Like, let me show you it like this. And then, see, I left that one green strip there, and then I'm going to frame it out. I'll put something around it to make it to where it doesn't just look like I left the splotch open. But yeah, so I'm done for the night. I'm giving it up. I gotta go bath my kid. Thanks. Have a good day.